Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Love what you drive. We got our friend Steve here. Tell us where we are. Tell us your part in this, and then we'll get to your car.
I'm the president of the Northeast Panther platform.
Okay.
We're currently in Hudson, New Hampshire, having a meet here that Wade is throwing on.
Yeah.
And we had a really great turnout. And I drive a 2006 Ford Crown Victoria LX Premier.
Who's this guy?
This is my son, Steven, the third.
Hey Steven, what's up, man?
Say hi.
Hello there.
You ever been on YouTube?
No.
No, well you will be now. You and your dad in your car.
Cool?
I really want to see this video when I go home.
You will.
You will. Alright, what year is this?
It's 2006.
2006. Okay, and it's not just a Crown Vic.
No, it's a, actually I just found out recently, it's an LX Premier.
LX Premier, I've never heard of a Premier.
No, I hadn't heard of a Premier either until until the other day.
Until the other day.
Yeah, I actually contacted Ford, gave him the VIN. I'm still waiting to do a Marty report.
Yeah.
Which, you know, is something I want to do.
Okay. So Ford will tell you, according to the VIN, what
Yep.
who and where and why?
So, yeah, that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Want to say hi real quick?
Hi.
Hi.
This is Aurora.
This is my sister Aurora.
Yeah. Okay, so what have you done to the car?
So, recently changed the wheels, did an Evolution big boy slotted brake upgrade with calipers. The wheels that I got here are 18x9, 18x10 TSWs, Jamaro wheels. Nothing else really except tint, and did a Marauder spoiler, and it has a Stainless Works exhaust on it.
Okay.
Catback with turn downs.
Grill.
Oh, and I did the grill.
Okay,
yes.
I was gonna say, is that
sorry about
factory
that. No, so it had a chrome grill on it when I first got it, and then I decided to get a black grill, and I had it painted white.
Okay.
So we did the emblems black out.
Yeah, it looks very good with the white grill.
Thanks, man.
Nice little touch.
That honestly is the funniest thing. That's the biggest. That is the biggest compliment I get.
Yeah.
Is the grill. Everyone loves the grill. I'll see you later.
All right. Let's continue to do this.
No problem. Dad's work is never done. It is fun.
Yeah.
Yep.
Okay. The sunroof. What is that? Moonroof or sunroof? What do you call
I guess you would call it a moonroof.
that? Moonroof? What's the difference between moonroof and a sunroof?
You know, that's a really good question. All these years, 39 years, and I'm still trying to figure it out. So yes, it does pop up. It does slide open.
Okay.
So
And that's factory.
That is factory.
Okay.
Yes, which was really cool. And as you can see, it's not an LX Sport. It's just an LX.
Yeah.
But with the Premier distinction, it came with the 8-way power seats, the more comfy leather interior, the sport and handling package, and the sunroof/moonroof.
Okay. And this is a Massachusetts car? Or
Yeah, so this car, okay, so this car, and it's gonna do another one. And he has the police lights on. Okay. So,
this is going to be an interesting...
this is going to be a very interesting one. Yes, last one of the day. Everyone's starting to bug out, and literally bug out. So
there will be a lot of cutting and editing on this one.
Yeah, or you could just leave it all in. We could just have fun with it. Let it roll. Okay. Yep. We got, listen, if you come to a Panther meet and there are cars that are not getting worked on, it is not a real Panther meet. That is super loud.
He's walking his...
it's okay.
Yeah, he's walking his jack.
He needs it more than me.
Okay, we're going to continue to...
No problem at all.
Walk over here. Okay, that's a Marauder wing?
That is a Marauder wing, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Man, that's a really good fit.
Yep, so when I got the grill done, I got the spoiler put on too when they painted the spoiler and the grill.
Yeah. Okay. I can't see. Is that dual exhaust?
That is dual exhaust. Yep, that is Stainless Works. Catback.
Oh, it's way up there.
It had.
Yeah.
It had tips that came out the back, but I figured I would do something different.
Yeah.
Everybody's running that full dual with the big old tips.
Yeah.
And I really like the turn down. It sounds really, really good inside the car.
It's not that loud. The exhaust?
No, it's not really loud outside the car. It's a lot louder inside the car.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Some badges, I see.
Yep, badges. And me and my son, who you met earlier, we decided to start doing this a couple years ago.
Oh, wow.
That's the biggest things about this car when people see it is they see the grill and they're like, wow, the grill is so cool. It looks really good on the car. And then I pop the trunk and they're like, okay, never mind. The trunk is so much cooler.
Yeah, all the stickers, man. Now it's all from the car meets, car shows.
It's, different people have given them to me. Yeah. We've picked them up at different places we've been, different things that we like. So like I got like a Route. This car's been down on Route 66 before. When I've taken it down to Arkansas and Oklahoma. So I got a Route 66 sticker, and then different sports teams that we like. So yeah.
Cool. Yeah, that is a very cool spot, man.
Yeah, a whole bunch up inside.
Yeah, it goes all everywhere.
That's my favorite sticker.
The Mickey?
Yeah.
Nice. What do you have that's ADTR on here?
Nothing. I had no place to put the sticker inside the trunk, so I was like, I'm going to put it on the back window. But
yeah. But hey, if you drive a Panther, it's ADTR.
Oh yeah, most definitely.
Yeah. Okay. Future with this car on the exterior.
Exterior wise, so on the 16th, I'm moving to Arkansas, and my buddy Nate here with the town car, who you guys probably saw in an earlier video, he is going to be putting a Mach 1 chin spoiler on the vehicle, and Regal fog lights with the factory switch and wiring harness.
Oh, nice.
Other than that, he's going to touch up some body work. And then performance-wise, it's going to get rid of the rear end. I'm going to do 355s with probably a Detroit locker.
What is it, 327s right now?
It's not even 327s. I think it's like lower than, it's like 2-somethings right now with that one-wheel peel.
Really?
Oh yeah, it's so much fun.
Yeah.
So it's gonna. I figured 355s will be good because I do a lot of driving with the car, and those are really good highway gears. Everyone keeps telling me to do 410s.
Yeah.
I mean, so maybe if gas gets down to like $1.50 a gallon again, then we'll do that.
Yeah, I gotta go with the 355s and then see if the 410s is what you want.
Yep.
Okay, let's look under the hood.
Yeah, most definitely.
We did the junk in the trunk.
So yeah, I am technically the second owner of this vehicle. Okay, if we can get it. There we go.
Ooh, that's clean under here.
So the vehicle was sold at a Ford dealership in Norwell, Mass. It was a vehicle that went to a rental company down in Plymouth, Mass. They had it till it was about 9,000 miles.
Yeah.
And then the lady I got it off of, unfortunately, she passed away. I bought it off of her son. I bought the vehicle 3 years ago, actually this June, with 29,000 miles on the car.
Oh, wow. And how many miles now?
Just over 72,000 miles.
Okay.
So I've driven the car.
Yeah.
In 3 years. But yeah, no, it's I mean, it's relatively clean for for a New England car.
For New England,
its whole life. Now it's going south, so hopefully it'll stay really clean.
A little longer.
Yeah.
All right. Any future plans for this?
No, I don't. Honestly, I don't think so. I think it's pretty clean. Maybe a throttle body.
Yeah.
Cold air intake. Pull the valve covers off and clean them up. Maybe paint them.
Yeah.
Other than that, I mean, everything's pretty good.
Yeah. Just keep it reliable.
Yeah.
This is your family car because you brought your whole family. Oh, your kids.
Yeah, it's 100% my family car. Yeah. It was a funny story. It was when I went to I had a 97. I had a red 97 town car.
Yeah.
And it had a frame issue. And I needed a car, and a local car club in Weymouth called Spindles.
Yeah.
I know a bunch of them there, and there was a gentleman who's a really good friend of mine. He knew I was looking for a family car, and there was another member that, this was his mom's car. He told me 06, loaded, all the options, everything you can get, 29,000 miles, and I said, he said it's a $10,000 car all day. There's no way. And I went and met the guy, brought my family with me, and after talking to him for about 30 minutes, he said, you're a family guy, and you're really good with your kids, and I see you need a car. He goes, $4,000 and it's yours if you want to take it today. And I was like, so this is honestly the the story behind it and what it meant to him and what it means to me. This is a car that I hope that I never get rid of.
Yeah, if you can do just regular maintenance, it'll last you, man.
Most definitely, yeah. Change the oil and, just don't beat on it.
Yeah, my Lincoln has 408,000.
Sheesh.
So, you got... Yeah,
oh my God.
You got a long way to go.
I got a long way to go.
Cool. Let's shut the hood. Let's take a look on the inside.
No problem
what this Premier has to offer. Man, this paint, like, even in this overcast.
Yeah, everyone turns around and they're like, yo, where did you get the car painted? And I'm like, it's factory.
It's glowing. It's very nice. Okay, so power door locks, mirrors, windows.
Yeah, I got the 8-way seats.
The seats.
Yeah,
so my Mercury has that.
Lumbar.
Okay.
Also got the traction control there and the adjustable pedals.
Yeah, this thing is loaded. The sunroof, man. Do you use it often?
Oh yeah, she works like a dream too.
Okay, let's see here. I always try to find something, because every Crown Vic has something the other one doesn't. Let me see if I can find anything. Anything that you know about that is...
Can't think of anything.
Well, besides the obvious...
besides the obvious, sunroof and an LX, not a sport.
Yeah. Yeah, there it is. It's nice.
She works really well too.
That sounds really good.
That's nice. It's not too loud. It has a nice rumble to it. It's cold right now, but when it starts, you can hear it. Now you hear it starting to idle out.
Yeah. What does your wife think about this? Because we had a bunch of young kids.
So she's going to see the video.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to show it to her. But
okay.
So I had several Lincoln Town cars.
Okay.
I'm a big Lincoln. I'm a big Ford guy. I'm a big Lincoln guy. I've had a Mustang. I've had a Ford Lightning. I've had tons of Lincoln Town cars. And when we needed a family car, the wife was like, "You're not. I will divorce you. You're not getting another Lincoln Town car." So when I heard about this car, I went, "Oh, a Panther platform."
Yeah.
Lincoln Town car, Mercury Marauder, Mercury Marauder. What she doesn't know is it gonna kill her. So a friend of mine, best friend of mine, Andy, he turned around. He was like, she knows that a Crown Vic is the same as a Tom. I'm like, stop.
Yeah.
Shh. Nope.
Remember, she's watching this.
Yeah, I know. So, and she knows. So we went and looked at the car, and she really liked the car, and she knows because I'm a bigger guy. I like something that's comfortable.
Yeah.
And I got the car, and she was like, at least it's not another town car. And I was like, oh, it's a Panther platform. This is the same thing.
Yeah.
So, but it's she doesn't understand the obsession with these vehicles. She really doesn't.
Yeah.
But it's something, like, I don't know. I really can't explain it either. It's just. You just love them, man. You don't see them like. I mean, I seen them as a kid. You used to see them everywhere because police had them, detectives had them, and and just the old people had them, and just driving around. You were like, Caleb, love you, buddy. And man, I don't know what it is, but no, she's like, I don't understand the obsession, but she's like, as long if you like it, that's cool.
Does she drive it?
She's driven it a couple times.
So this is what my cars look like with 3 kids.
Yeah.
I got car seats and
Yep.
Do you find fries under, or there's no food in your
they're in the trash bro at the at the car wash that I went to before I came here.
Yeah.
That and Kinder eggs.
Yeah.
I was like, thank you for bringing back Kinder eggs to the U.S. Really
Kinder
appreciate
eggs, it. Yeah, my daughters love them. All right, I think we covered pretty much everything.
Yeah.
So you're moving, and your son asked the question, who's going to be the next president?
Colin.
Colin?
He's the vice president of the club right now. He'll be the president.
Okay.
I've already started talking to people down in the the Southwest and Arkansas area about throwing together some meets down there, and kind of can't wait to go down there.
Cool.
So June 16th, it's coming up fast.
Yeah.
So big move, 1,800 miles.
Ooh.
Yep.
Well, God bless your move, man.
So
It's nice to meet you.
it's very nice to meet
Thank
you
you
too.
for your car. It's definitely special. I don't think I've had a Premier LX
Yeah.
on the channel, so this is a first. And your last words?
You know,
Get a Panther.
yeah, get a Panther, man. Seriously, they're becoming harder and harder to find, and if you get one, just don't beat the crap out of it, and really take care of it,
Yeah.
because these things still turn heads when people see
They
them.
do,
And
yeah.
God bless everybody, and
Yeah.
much love.
Cool, man. Thanks
Thank you,
for your
sir.
time. We'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.